In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly copy and paste content between documents in Microsoft Word 2013 or later. This process is simple, but knowing the right steps and options can make your document editing experience much smoother and productive. To start, you'll want to open up Microsoft Word. If you're using a version from 2013 or later, you're all set. Once Microsoft Word is running, the next thing you need to do is locate and open the source document. This is the document that contains the content you want to copy. With your document open, you'll want to select all the content. You can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl+A if you're on a Windows system, or CMD+A if you're using a Mac. This keyboard shortcut highlights every single piece of content in your document from text to images, making sure nothing is left behind. Once everything is selected, the next key combination is Ctrl+C for Windows or CMD+C for Mac users. This command copies all the selected content to your clipboard, essentially storing it temporarily so you can transfer it elsewhere. Now that your content is copied, it's time to switch over to the destination document, the one where you want the information to be pasted. Open up this document in Word. Before pasting, make sure you place your cursor exactly where you want your copied content to appear. This positioning is crucial because Word will paste everything right at the spot where your cursor is located. With your cursor in place, paste the content by pressing Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on a Mac. This action takes what you've stored in your clipboard and drops it directly into your document. Once you've pasted your selection, you'll notice a small clipboard icon near the bottom of the pasted content. This is the Paste Options button. Here, Word gives you a few choices. You can keep the source formatting if you want the text to appear exactly as it was in the original document, or opt for the Merge Formatting option to let the pasted content blend seamlessly with the styles of your destination document. Lastly, there's a Keep Text Only option, which removes all formatting from the pasted content, giving you a clean slate with just the raw text. And that's it! You've successfully copied and pasted content between documents in Microsoft Word. Using these steps ensures not only that you move content efficiently, but also that you have control over how that content integrates into your new document. Happy editing!